Good evening. A Mexican drug cartel working alongside outlaw bikie gangs is believed responsible for attempting to send a record-breaking amount of ice to Melbourne. 5 people have been charged over the bust, carrying a street value of $1.3 billion. Mark Santomartino explains.
With 1.7 tonne of methamphetamine in the hands of US Customs, the satisfaction of cracking an international drug ring has been overshadowed by a dire admission.
We now believe the Mexican cartels are actively targeting Australia.
Hidden inside electrical capacitors, 850 2-kilo blocks of the drug ice were seized before being shipped to Melbourne. Drugs a joint task force has directly associated with Australian outlaw bikie gangs.
We think that the link between serious and organised crime and the OMCGs made quite clearly in this instance.
Outlaw motorcycle gangs are involved, 100%.
Questions began when 25 kilograms of ice was found in a car stopped at random by police travelling through Wodonga. That was linked to outlaw bikies and led to the discovery of 2 tonnes of precursor chemicals in June. A Victorian drug syndicate was identified and linked to a plan to import illicit drugs to Melbourne from the US, and on January 9, American Customs stopped 2 shipping containers in California. Inside, they found 1.7 tonne of methamphetamine, 25 kilos of cocaine and another 5 kilograms of heroin.
If this shipment had made Australian streets, it equates to something like 17 million hits of ice.
3 properties in Sydney's west, along with homes and factories across 6 Melbourne suburbs, were raided in a coordinated strike yesterday. $500,000 cash, passports, cocaine and methamphetamine have all been seized. 5 of the 6 people arrested, including 2 American nationals, have been charged. Here at Campbellfield, AFP officers spent all day raiding 2 warehouses on either side of this factory driveway, hauling out pallet loads of boxes of electronic devices and individually x-raying each one looking for drugs.
The intelligence that will be gleaned out of this syndicate alone will provide us with incredible ability to move forward.
3 of those charged in Melbourne have been remanded in custody. Further arrests are expected, with federal authorities calling on every drug-using Australian to stop supporting organised crime.
We have to stop consuming drugs. That's the answer.
Mark Santomartino, 9 News.